popcorn balls, and I'm 8-year-old. We're gonna have fun.
Read the instructions on the back of the popcorn bag. It will tell you to put the instructions face side up and then set your microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Now pour the popcorn into the bowl. All of it.
You will need 2 tablespoons of butter.
Now you put the marshmallows in the bowl.
After emptying all of your marshmallow packets into the bowl, add the 2 tablespoons of butter and then put into the microwave. Try 10 seconds at a time and be careful not to overcook. If your marshmallow mixture is too hot, then you might need to use a spatula to mix it in with the popcorn. Once that's done, take the popcorn and make balls with it, and you're going to have to press kind of hard. You can't press too hard. You don't have to worry about squashing the popcorn kernels. You just want it to make a nice tight ball. Next, you want to put those 2 popcorn balls together. You can use 2 or 3, but make sure that they don't fall over. You want it flat on the bottom so it can stand up all by itself. Now here's the fun part.
Do not eat the candy.
Okay, you can't eat the candy, but here's the other fun part. You get to make things to go on your snowman. Take your taffies and your Tootsie Rolls, and you can pinch them and get them warm between your fingers and make shapes with them. Decorate your snowman with a hat or a scarf or a face. Anything you can imagine, you can do. I hope you had fun with this month's project. Show us a picture of something that you've made and put it on the Facebook page. We'd love to see it.